Make a great choice today with the 2014 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, security system, electronic stability control, rear window defroster. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.